Hi guys! Hey! We are here at the Motorbeach Festival in Asturias with the Truck Surf Hotel. Let's go inside to know a bit more about the truck. Let's see how it is. Woohoo! Nice view here with the festival and the beach. Now we have inside the truck our new space with the living room here, table, nice windows, our kitchen where we cook, we do all the stuff here. And now here we have the toilet with a nice view. Look. And inside here we have the shower. Let's go upstairs to the rooms. Let's go. So up here we have 5 rooms for 10 people. We have 4 rooms with bunk beds, as you can see, with coats, air condition. And a nice view also. Here they are. And 4 rooms. Over here we have our suite, the big room for a couple, with a nice picture from my friend Tomane, photographer. And that's it. Here we can look at the waves and see if it's good to surf. And everybody's there having fun. That's it guys, I hope you like it. Hope to see you soon here. Bye bye.